Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears without gelatin and agar agar. Many traditional gummy recipes rely on animal-derived gelatin or seaweed-based agar agar. We'll explore a fantastic plant-based alternative, pectin. This natural ingredient, often found in fruits, allows us to create wonderfully chewy and flavorful gummies that everyone can enjoy. Get ready to learn a simple, delicious method for your next sweet creation. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 5 cups of fruit puree, 1 2/3 cups of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. The star ingredient is 48 grams of regular fruit pectin, typically 1 box. Also, have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice ready, along with a half teaspoon of baking soda and a half cup of water. Don't forget your gummy bear molds. First, combine your fruit puree, sugar, and corn syrup in a large saucepan over medium heat, bringing it to a gentle boil. In a separate small saucepan, whisk together the pectin, baking soda, and water until it simmers and the foam reduces. Add this pectin mixture to your fruit base. Continue cooking the combined mixture, stirring often, until it reaches 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This temperature is key for the perfect gummy texture. Once your mixture reaches the target temperature, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in any additional flavorings like citric acid. Immediately transfer the hot liquid to a spouted measuring cup and carefully pour it into your silicone gummy molds. Work quickly, as the mixture will thicken as it cools. Let your gummy bears set at room temperature for several hours, or chill them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Enjoy your homemade, gelatin-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.